Download the SQL files and follow the install process. First, choose Create a new SQL server. Then choose Accept and Next. Press Next on this page. Next again. This page too. Now, on this page you must set both startup type to automatic. Otherwise you'll face problems with the program later. Make sure both of them automatic. And press Next. Here, pick Mixed Mode. And enter password. Please memorize it because you'll need it later. Next. And finally close it.
After installing the SQL, move on to the application folder and open the installer. Proceed to install. Wait for the files to install, then close the page and find the application on the desktop to launch it. Now we will provide the SQL connection details, so choose OK. You will find the server name you just created in the drop-down list. Make sure the SQL Server authentication is picked and move on to username. Write SA in the username, you can't use another letters. For the password, use the password you entered earlier in the SQL installation. Finally, you can pick any database name, but for now I will just name it New Data. And connect it. Voila! Now it is running. You can start using the application.